Hello everyone and welcome to Fine Arts YouTube channel. In this video we will draw Peppa Pig and Josh riding a bicycle. First I am drawing Josh. I am drawing his beautiful two eyes. Look at his eyes. Now I am drawing his nose. Wow, the nose is complete. Let's draw his face. Now I am drawing a beautiful smile on his face, and now I am drawing a dino cap on his head. Draw with me the dino cap. It's very amazing. Look, the cap is complete. And now I am drawing his body. His hands. Let's draw the bicycle. I am drawing his two legs. Let's complete the bicycle. Two round wheels.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock. The clock struck two, away she flew.
The cycle is complete. Now let's draw Peppa Pig. First I draw her two eyes.
Hickory dickory dock, the dog barked at the clock. The clock struck three, fiddly-dee.
Her nose
Hickory dickory dock, tick
and her
tick tock.
beautiful face.
Hickory dickory dock,
Two ears
sat by the clock. The clock struck four,
and a beautiful smile on her face.
hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Let's draw her body.
Hickory dickory dock, the bee buzzed round
Her
the
two
clock.
hands
The clock struck five,
holding the bicycle.
hickory dickory dock, tick tock.
And now draw the bicycle.
Hickory dickory dock, the hen pecked at the clock. The clock struck six, oh fiddlesticks. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
And now I am drawing the front wheel of the cycle.
Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Let's complete the bicycle.
Hickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock.
Look, our picture is complete. Now let's paint it together. Green, light green, blue, yellow, black. The cap is complete. Now let's paint Josh with pink color. Blue, now let's paint the bicycle with orange color.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Black,
And on his farm he had a cow.
now let's paint Peppa Pig with pink color.
Here and a there, here a there, a everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old
Now I am
MacDonald
painting
had a
the
farm,
dress with red color.
and on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a there, a everywhere.
Now let's paint the bicycle with blue color.
E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm,
And now I am painting the grass with green color.
he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a there, a everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Our painting is complete. See you in the next video.